know that sounds funny, space cushion, but that's the space between you and your other vehicles. Gradually picking up again. I'm lifting my foot, coasting. That's an erratic lane changer. Not worth it. Keeping space. What I'm trying to teach you is analyze this environment. I'm not tapping my brakes all the time. I'm not a tailgater. If you tailgate, dangerous maneuver. The white GMC kind of cut off. That's how accidents happen. Dangerous. So the white GMC is going to create an accident situation. This is why I want you to keep good speed and good space. That looks like one of my adult learners' dad in the electric Cadillac. See how he drives. So I'm in the middle lane, about 40, speed limit's 50, heavy rush hour traffic and major thoroughfare in the United States. So we're just cruising about 45 to 50, stay and chill. We're already here, we don't slam brakes. That blue GMC is going really fast, squeezing my brakes, taking my time, taking my foot a little bit, adjusting. Hey, if this is bringing you value, please give it a thumbs up. We need 10 thumbs up to get this pushed out to our adult learners who really want to learn how to drive. We're maintaining good speed. Now I got to squeeze my brake. See the car cut in front of me? If I would have ran the light, I would have hit them, but I'm not going to. Okay, we see the rear of the tires are on the ground. If we get rear-ended, we'll have one collision. If we are too close, they'll hit us. We'll be pushed into the Lincoln. So we want to keep good speed and good space. Moderate, heavy traffic. Complete left and right turns. We've done this. Determine maximum time and space for gaps. Lights red, we're gradually taking off. This car, I believe, has a 4-speed transmission. It's now in 3rd and it's now in 4th gear. We're in high gear. Our temperature's in the middle. It's been about 95 to 98 all day. I'm squeezing my brakes. And remember, I'm driving adults and teens who've never driven before, and I'm sharing with you the perspective. There's the blue GMC that was cutting off cars. We caught up to them. So stay consistent. I want to maintain good speed, good space, take my time. I'm going to make a lane change to the left. Left is down. I accelerate through. I lift my foot and I'm readjusting my speed and distance. Ooh, I see a lot of cars cutting off. I don't know what's going on. I'm trying to keep space. I'm looking left, middle, and right. Left, middle, and right. What's going on? I see cars cutting off. I don't know what's going on. A lot of people get very impatient right now. So I want to keep my space cushion in case I need to get over to the right. That car should not be doing that. That is a ticket. You do not ride on the shoulder. Do not ride on the shoulder. It's not that serious. Another car's riding on the shoulder. They deserve to be ticketed. It's not that serious. So far so good. Everything's going good. Other cars are riding on the shoulders. And what you should be doing, and I'm going to show you the correct way. Another car's riding on the shoulder. It's not that serious. I'm going to turn on my left blinker. There's a white Ram, and they're breaking the law. So if they hit me, they would get the ticket. Now, this is what you should be doing, okay? All these cars are not doing. I'm gonna get to the inside lane. Now, this is a double left turn. So we're gonna talk about this. This is more advanced, and we're just waiting. So if you're in the inside lane, you stay in the inside lane. If you're outside lane, you stay in the outside lane. That's that blue Mustang with the drag radius on the back. Cobra, probably twin turbo, Brembo brakes. I'm gonna go up and check traffic. Then I'm waiting.